La 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 la.
Hey guys, so I wanted to introduce you guys to Lucy. She is my ball python. She actually just shed it last night, so her morph or her skin is nice and shiny. She's like very into this video right now. But she is 8 years old. I am her third owner. She was with her first owner for 4 years as she was a baby, and then she went to my husband's friend, and he had her for about 4 years. And unfortunately, he had to take a job that requires him to travel a lot, so he couldn't really take care of her. And he texted me one day and was like, "Hey, do you still want her?" And I was like, "Oh, of course." But I was like, I got a lot of convincing to do with my husband. So I kept trying to convince him, and kept saying no. He still says no, but my husband loves me, Happy wife, happy life. So I got her, and I've had her now maybe 3 months. I don't know. But I feed her rats, large rats. I feed her once a month. I would say maybe once every 3 weeks. But I'll go in, and depending on her movement, if she's very active, I know she's hungry, so I will just go get her a rat. She has had the frozen thawed rat, but I found that she prefers live rats. So I do the large live rats, where I walked into the pet store and asked for the rats for her, and I said I need a large, and I thought I was standing in front of the large, and it was medium. So yeah, they're pretty big. She just ate about a week ago. So, and then she went into her little cave, her tunnel thing, and she was in there for about 4 days. And I went in this morning I went to go give her water, and I noticed that she had a nice full shedding. So this is a nice fresh layer on her right now. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm so obsessed with her. She's heavy, very heavy. So I'm actually leaning my elbow on a table. But she's the sweetest thing. She's so sweet. It's so weird that this little head can eat a huge rat, sorry. But yeah, so what they do when they do eat their rats, if you don't know, they dislocate their jaw. So they're able to, what are you looking at? So they're able to expand their jaw to go around the rat. So ball pythons live up to about 31 years in captivity. I'm not sure about out in the wild. And she's probably about 4 feet long, I would say. I mean, she is a ball python, so it's hard to pull her. She's literally looking at the camera. Do you see yourself on camera? She's gorgeous. She's so gorgeous. So, but yeah, she's very, very thick. Very thick. I love her. She's beautiful. But she's so sweet. My son loves her. My daughter loves her. My husband is not a fan of snakes, so the most he'll do is like touch the back of her. Oh, you see her right here? Look. She's so beautiful. I love her. Pythons are easily stressed, so I try not to play with her, sorry, too much, but I will definitely do my interactions with her at least once or twice a week. But I just love her. I'm so obsessed with her. I had 11 snakes and 6 lizards growing up. So I've always loved reptiles. Always. I know people think I'm crazy, but they're just so fascinating to me. She's so curious. She's really curious because my dog is down below, which they both like smell each other. I literally could hold her all day. Very pretty girl. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Look, she's gonna kiss me. Love her. They're the best starter snakes, honestly. Obviously, they're not this big when you get them, unless you buy one this big. But if you buy them in the pet store, they're probably about a foot long. She just want to taste me. Taste my earring? I feel like literally be with her all day. But it's late and mommy and you gotta go to bed, right? We all gotta go to bed. So I'll probably do a video sometime in the future, like all about them. She's just beautiful. Say bye. You want to say bye to the camera? You want to go say bye? Say bye. She's so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with her. Mommy loves you, right? You love mommy? Oh, she's kind of mommy. Look, she's on my face. She's so cute. See you on the raw video. Say bye.